So, good morning guys. We're here. Yan yung ano namin. May laro kami ngayon. Ang laro namin ay
Old versus
New Testament versus Old Testament. Okay? So ngayon, okay guys, pay attention guys, please. So, unang book, 1 Samuel. Very good! Ang galing. Oh, back to the center. Yan. Next, Luke. Wow, very nice. So, ayan guys yung aming game. Balik sa gitna. Ayan yung New Testament.
Ate,
Old Testament.
nakatalikod kaya kami
Ha?
para hindi namin makita yung kakampi namin na ano.
Eh, di ba nito
Okay, so next, Revelation. Wrong. Dalawang tama. Mali na kayong tatlo.
Ate, practice pa yan!
No, you cannot do that. Guys, dalawa ang natira, please.
Practice din!
Yes,
Last chance!
So that's it. Yan, nagkakagulo na kami. Bye!